Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm trying to cover a very interesting topic, the impact of AI on the modern clinical research jobs. So we just say that clinical research jobs. So question is that will it replace us or will it having any impact on jobs? Because there is a lot of fear among people that AI will take all the clinical research jobs. So my perspective is based on the real facts. So the first one is the tough ones. Like, what are the jobs those are going to have a big hit? They are you won't see those job roles in the coming years. The repetitive task, data entry task, obvious task, manual task. After some time, like the task clinical trial assistant is doing, anyone is doing a manual entry, anyone is doing a data entry, anyone is doing a manual review, you won't see these tasks. So the base, all these tasks will disappear. And the more AI related tools, they will take up these type of job roles, like medical writing assistant we will be having this. We will see it very soon. And we have a partially right now, but again, we will have a more assistance to this. What type of roles those will grow? Second is the biggest shift which is happening right now and also acknowledged by the new R3 GCP revision. That is, now trials are going to be decentralized. Now we are going to the homes of a patient instead of patient coming to the site. So roles, digitalized roles, role of technology like maybe e-diaries, watches, e-data entry, remote consenting. All these will be on increase, their trend will on rise. So the roles, technology roles, the person who, people who are very comfortable with the use of technology, use of tools, their demand will be much more. Because now even in the revision of GCP, they have acknowledged, like, go for a virtual consent. How virtual consent can happen? With the help of technology. Instead of doing taking a meeting notes, we will be having AI tools. So all the manual tasks, they are going. All the tasks where we have need to use a technology, they are going up. Digital managers, the people who are having a knowledge of AI, they can, people now, manager, they are having a just knowledge subject experts. Now you will be having a manager who are tech expert as well, right? People who know how to use AI. And moreover, you will be having a data scientist type of roles. Analytic roles will increase because people will be needing that, okay, can you analyze this data? Can you analyze X number? Can you help us how we can do the faster recruitment? How you can do the faster recruitment if you know how to analyze data? Basically, analytics roles. So if you are a beginner, I will say along with the clinical research, also try to learn the technology part, tech part. What else will go? Routine monitoring, right? In-person monitoring, that will go away. Rather, centralized monitoring, which is already happening, is already reality, but the trend will be on increase, right? So centralized monitoring, risk-based monitoring, that will be the real thing. Instead of manual data verification, you will be having tools like, suppose you are matching the values. 100, is it 101 temperature? You are matching with the source, right? We are doing it manually. Now you'll be having tool that will be flagging automatically that this is not matching. So you should be familiar with that tool, right? So I have told centralized monitoring will be on rise, right? What else? Patient centricity, how you engage with the patient. Maybe you having a tech part. Now mostly patient is coming to the clinic, you are handling them, you are collecting data. Now you will be collecting a data remotely. If you know how to use a technology, it's a very good, then you can be a patient recruitment specialist who know the tech part, right? That's the another shift to happen. Medical writing, in medical writing we will be using a lot of tools. Instead of you working on a word document, you will be working in the tools, because there are some predefined information will be auto populating it, right? So grammar and all, you need not to worry a lot. Rather, you have to worry on the content. What else? The clinical research will speed up. That means number of jobs will be much more, because now you're suppose you are doing trial in 5 years. It may be possible you can do within 2 years. So more number of trials will be happening. More number of trials will be happening. That means you need more job roles. New fields are emerging, like clinical trial transparency, patient-centric approaches. These now there are offices, there are organizations. They are also setting up the functions to take care of just patient. What they can do best for their patient. So these type of roles they will emerge. What else can come into picture is that if we know that how to use AI in a right way, we know how we can use digitalization tools, we know how to use the computer system in a confidential way, the number of jobs will increase. So, in nutshell, AI is not going to replace people. It is going to replace the task. It is reshaping how we are working. So, all the tasks, those are repetitive, manual, will be replaced by the tasks, those are more tech driven, tool driven, analytics driven. So, job roles for people who know technology, who know AI, who know the analytics, there will be a plenty of opportunity. So don't you worry. The people will not get replaced. Remember, task will get replaced. So add skills to your CV. Add skills that how you can use the tools and technology in your day-to-day work. Right now, example, we are taking few years back. We were taking meeting notes manually. Right, it was a big task. Now you can use a copilot. But now, where is your intervention is needed? That to verify that co-pilot, what notes that co-pilot has given to you, is it correct or not? So leave your comments in chat box that if this video is helpful to you or not. Also, you can refer my book, Clinical Research and Medical Writing, if you are interested to pursue your career in a medical writing.